السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to 29th part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. We are going to learn from this lesson some basic words in Arabic for us to be able to independently express ourselves in Arabic. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. The question is, indak, which means you have, talking to a single male person, and indaki, which also means you have, talking to a single female person. So when do we use them? One can only use indak while making reference to non-human. I repeat, one can only use indak while making reference to non-human if what is being owned is non-human, so indak is used. For instance, wahid number 1. Hal indaka bayt ya Khalid. Hal indaka bayt. Do you have a house? Ya Khalid, Khalid. So what is being owned here is a house. So is a house human or non-human? It is non-human. That is why indaka is being used in asking the question. Now the answer, Naam, yes. In the bayt, I have a house. Naam, yes. In the bayt, I have a house. Ithnan, number 2. Hal indaki sayyara ya Zainab. Hal indaki sayyara. Do you have a car? Ya Zainab, Zainab. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the answer, La, no. Ma indi sayyara. I don't have a car. La, no. Ma indi sayyara. I don't have a car. Now we have learnt how to say I have and how to say I don't have in Arabic while making reference to non-human. Thalatha, number 3. Hal indaka mazra'a ya Hashim. Hal indaka mazra'a. Do you have a farm? Ya Hashim, Hashim. Remember that mazra'a means farm and muzari'un is the farmer. Muzari'un, farmer. Mazra'a, farm. Now the answer, Naam, yes. In the mazra'a. In the mazra'a, I have a farm. Mazra'a is mufrad, the plural form of which is mazari'u. Mazari'u, just like masajidu being the plural form of masjid. So mazari'u is the plural form of mazra'a. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So here is another term in Arabic. Laka also means you have, talking to a single male person. Laki, you have, talking to a single female person. So when are we to use laka, which is different from indaka? So you use laka while making reference to human. Indaka is for non-human, while laka is for human. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. And li means I have. Li, I have. Now to illustrate, using the examples below. Wahid number 1. Alaka zawja ya Khalid. Alaka zawja. Do you have a wife? Ya Khalid, Khalid. So what is being owned here is zawja, wife, which represents human. Now the answer, Naam, yes. Li zawja. I have a wife. Naam, yes. Li zawja. I have a wife. So you don't say hal indaka zawja. Hal indaka zawja. Because here we are making reference to human. Rather, alaka zawja. Do you have a wife? Now the answer, the response to that will now be Naam li zawja. Yes, I have a wife. اثنان number 2. Alaki zawj ya Zainab. Alaki zawj, do you have a husband? Ya Zainab, Zainab. Now the answer, la, no. Mali zawj, I don't have a husband. Mali zawj, I don't have a husband. Thalatha number 3. Alaka abun ya Hashim. Alaka abun, so do you have a father? Ya Hashim, Hashim. Alaka abun ya Hashim. So alaka abun, do you have a father? Ya Hashim, Hashim. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Arba'a number 4. Alaki ummun ya Maryam. Alaki ummun, do you have a mother? Ya Maryam, Maryam. Khamsa number 5. Alaka ibnun ya Dhakir. Alaka ibnun ya Dhakir. Alaka ibnun, so do you have a son? Ya Dhakir, Dhakir. Sitta number 6. Alaki bint, do you have a daughter? Ya Mufida, Mufida. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So whenever you are making reference to non-human, you use indak for asking the question. So when you are making reference to human, you use alaka or alaki. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Here is another term. Kam. Kam can mean how many or how much. So the Arabic term appearing after kam must be singular, and the last letter of the term must take double fataha. I repeat, the Arabic term appearing after kam must be singular, and the last letter must take fataha, must take double fataha. We are going to illustrate that using the examples below. Wahid number 1. Kam zawjatan lak ya Khalid. Kam zawjatan lak ya Khalid. Kam zawjatan lak. How many wives do you have? In English, it is plural, but in Arabic, it is singular. How many wives? That is English. But in Arabic, kam zawjatan, how many wives do you have? Ya Khalid, Khalid. Ithnan, number 2. Kam waladan laki ya Ruqayya. Kam waladan lak. How many sons do you have? Ya Ruqayya, Ruqayya. Thalatha, number 3. Kam akhon lak. Kam akhon lak. How many brothers do you have? Ya Hashim, Hashim. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Arba'a, number 4. Kam baytan indak. We use indak while making reference to non-human. Kam baytan indak. How many houses do you have? Ya Khalid, Khalid. Khamsa, number 5. Kam sayyaratan indak ya Zainab. Kam sayyaratan indak. How many cars do you have? Ya Zainab, Zainab. Sitta, number 6. Kam nairan indak ya Ahi. Kam nairan indak. How much naira do you have? Ya Ahi, my brother. Kam nairan indak. How much naira do you have? Ya Ahi, my brother. Sab'a, number 7. Kam kitaban indak ya Ukhti. Kam kitaban indak. How many books do you have? Ya Ukhti, my sister. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.